All right, got my child's bag, and I'm ready to head into day 3 of VidCon, or 2, depending on how you count it. There really was a day 1, it just, the floor wasn't open and there weren't any conferences, but it is day 3, and I have another packed schedule, so I'm gonna try to fit some interviews in. I can't bring my nice bag I bought for this trip because of their bag policies, and I can't bring my tripod, so lucky for you, I won't be on screen for the interviews. I'm not gonna have a whole lot of time, but I'll get them in.
California. So we are Win TV. We are a distribution network for independent content creators, kind of like marrying a YouTube and a Netflix for independent content. We're here to really bring awareness and give content creators a channel to be able to have their own subscribers with a network behind them.
So do creators maintain independence? You don't have a contract?
Yes, yes. Creators will maintain their independence. They'll be able to make the money that they have residually on each subscriber. So we are not taking any of their content. We are allowing them to have their own content and have free reign with their channel.
Because I've heard of people joining networks before, and that's kind of been a bad thing. So it's got a bad reputation. So this is different in that sense.
Right. Yes, this is different because we actually, our founder comes from a creative background, and so the idea was to make sure that the creator still has the control that they need, because that's where the good content, the good stories come from, is from the creator directly, and we want to support that story.
How does somebody join this?
Huh?
How does it?
Oh,
I'm a creator, obviously. How does somebody join that? When you start?
Yeah, sure. So if you're a creator, just go ahead and send your submission to officialwenetwork.tv@gmail.com. We'll have a submission link for you there. You can just send us your content, send us a bio, maybe a picture about yourself. We are looking for high quality product, so make sure that you're using high quality cameras, lenses, audio when you do put up some of your content. That's all we're looking for.
All right, thank you.
Cool, all right.
Wait a minute, that looks nothing like me. What the heck?
Think about this. First, in order to answer this question, you have to know what the capital city of the United States is. Second part of this question is, you have to know the name of the ocean it's closest to.
My name is Jeremy Atkins. I'm the CEO and founder of ViewMe. We're live at VidCon 2019, showcasing ViewMe to the world for the first time. ViewMe is an app that helps content creators get more views on what they share. It works with Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. Any of your favorite networks, ViewMe can help grow your influence 100% for free. Here's how it works. Users view content. Here's how it works. You just give views to get views. So users view content in a feed similar to Instagram, just like posts, like music, videos, and memes. Each post you view, you'll earn coins. Each one of those coins can be traded for views on ViewMe at a later time. So essentially, the way it would work for a YouTuber is you would rack up your coins, build up an account, say you got 3,000 coins, you would upload a video from your YouTube channel, like a channel trailer with a link directly to your YouTube, and when you say I'm ready to cash in those coins, what ViewMe does is it, say you had 5,000 coins, we'll show your post in the feed of 5,000 other people, and they'll have to view your post in order to continue making coins. So in that way we can ensure that every user who puts in views can get that much or more back out of the system. So it really solves the problem of getting views online. You normally have a couple options. You either buy ads, which most people don't have access to do that, or do it continually. Two, you just wait and hope people find you online, which obviously doesn't work. Just try uploading something and chances of going viral are very low. So this gives creators a consistent, easy to understand way to make views. Oh, here's one more thing. Forgot to say this. ViewMe is actually not out right now. We'll be launching next week. You can follow us at viewme.tv for more updates on Instagram. We wanted to showcase it here at VidCon for the first time to give YouTubers a chance to get a head start, to kind of educate them on it, and give them a chance to start building up their teams.
And where does the revenue come from to support?
How do we make money? How do we monetize? Personally? So, ViewMe is 100% free for users to use. We just provide a free platform for them to exchange. We host everything. The way we make money is that when you cash in your views, when you request and say, I'm ready to redeem 5,000 views from my 5,000 coins, you get put into a queue with other users who have also requested to get their views. So that will take a little bit of time for you to actually fully get your views. If you want to skip that wait and jump straight to the top of the feed, you can just pay 99 cents. That's the main way that we monetize. Other than that, we offer a ViewMe VIP $9.99 a month service for people who really want to take getting views to the next level. And instead of getting 1 to 3 coins for each post they view, they can even get up to 9 coins, so their generation rate gets increased. Also, they get 2 free fast passes each month as a VIP user, which again allows them to skip straight to the front of the line and not have to wait in the queue to redeem their views.
Can you buy coins, or is it only by watching?
No, on ViewMe, coins cannot be bought. That's the key thing. We want this to be a straight up view for view ecosystem. We do that to keep big players and big companies out of just hoarding up and buying all the coins and sort of directing the flow of the network. We make it where we want users of all different types and all different levels to have equal access to be able to generate coins. We don't want it to be about money. We want it to be about effort and how much work you really put into the content you create.
I'm at the LoomQ booth. I have the microphone here on my GoPro, but I'm also testing out this Rode pod mic, I think. This Rode pod mic. I did too. So I'm running into my Tascam, recording audio directly. This could be an option for Brian and I for Dave and Brian Live in the future if I can build it up to getting more views and more money with it. It's about $100 right now, which is not bad. It has a built-in pop filter, so popping my P's and T's won't be a problem. But I believe I can have the microphone off axis as opposed to speaking directly. I have no screen on this, so as opposed to directly speaking into the microphone, I could do this so you can see our faces. So it's supposed to go with this. But we'll see. Just an audio test right now.
Even the length of the video, like in that little bottom right-hand corner, like people, if they see 35 minutes, they're like, whoa, I don't have that kind of time right now. And then things that affect the average duration could be the length of the video, but it can also be the composition of the video, its content, how you're engaging with users over time. And that's a thing that you can make go up if you, if you really aim for it. traffic sources, understanding whether or not like browse features is recommended, etc.
I currently don't look at everything together. I do look at the analytics on the individual, like on each individual platform, but I haven't done much with it. It's just a lot to manage because it's like you're one person. At least for me right now, I'm just a one person, so I can't do it all. But I have to like pick my battle. So I picked YouTube to focus on first. Yeah.
All right, just bought a ridiculous expensive cupcake from the cupcake truck. Now you probably know if you've bought anything from a food truck that they are overpriced, but I'm not even going to say how much it cost. It was so much. But this is the pineapple whip. Pineapple cake with pineapple in it, well, pineapple whip frosting, and a little umbrella. That's alright. I've had a lot better. Oh well. So this is the networking session for small creators. So of course I'm here. But wow, so are a lot of other people. I'm using my new Rode microphone for this.
Need and there's minimum quantities, and then it was just a hard process. And it was scary to go to just start designing something because there's so much cost involved. And I didn't want to put a whole bunch of money into something when I really didn't know how it would do. So I think that was the most stressful part of that whole process.
Hey look, it's somebody. I have no idea who. No idea. Well, that is the conclusion of day 3 of VidCon. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.